I'm working with an anxiety, for sure. You're dealing with, a society that is overly obsessed with cleanliness. And that's partially why I do work with, bacteria as a material. Especially in the West, we have this morbid fear of pungent aromas of bacteria. I'm giving a kind of visualization to people's anxieties about all the germs and bacteria that that are proliferating all around us. This is a climate-controlled room. They'll be lined with these tiles that are coated in the agar, and then we will swab the agar with the bacteria and then create this sort of hothouse in there for them to grow and create this ecosystem that is fluctuating from hour to hour, day by day, week by week. There have been considerable experimentation and research that we've been doing up at the lab at Columbia with the biologists to try to encourage certain bacterial growth over others in tandem with some aesthetic considerations, because bacteria is really beautiful and it has different kinds of color, different kinds of shapes. So I'm interested in formal aspects of the bacteria. I'm fascinated by ants because of their social structure, which are so similar to human beings. In the ant diorama, we have this large circuit board pattern with 10,000 living ants doing their industrious work. Ants have social caste systems. They are the only species other than humans that practice slavery. They're just a very complex, fascinating creature, so I thought this can teach us things about ourselves. One of the senses that I've been most fascinated by is our sense of smell. I wanted to create a scent that is pretty powerful in terms of evoking perceptions, empathy, associations, this sort of hybrid between the scent of an Asian American female with that of an ant. It was important for me to create the scent and foreground a certain sort of particular demographic and identity in America. Once these scent molecules go into your body, hopefully that will open you up to this kind of experience through this sort of hybrid entity. It's very important for me to foreground this relationship between power and culture and perception through these senses. I think as an artist, it's part of my job trying to render visible the source of our discomfort and our anxieties and our intolerance.